Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will show you how you can create this AI illusion artwork. This has been going viral on social media lately, and I will show you exactly how you can recreate this. The good thing about this is that you don't need anything to do for this. You just need to go to a website and they will create this from your prompt. So let me show you. Into my screen here, if you go to huggingface.co, we get this website. Then we have to scroll down here and then go to illusion diffusion. And here we can upload a photo which will create this illusion from the photo. So first of all, we need to select a photo. So what I'm going to do is, let me move this here. I'm going to upload my own photo here. Let me move this back. And then here I can type a prompt. So let's say I want to create this illusion from my photo and I want to add some mountains, maybe snow, landscape, trees, sunset, right? So you can write anything that you want. And here we have low quality as a negative prompt. So I want to make sure the quality is not bad, but good. So we keep the low quality here. Here they have some advanced settings that you can change, and also the illusion strength. So how much do you want this illusion to be? Let's say I'm going to do 4 here. It should be fine. And then it will generate this with AI. So the only thing you actually have to do is you have to wait. There is a long queue here. You can see here it's saying this. So you might have to wait a little bit, a couple minutes, and then it will generate this and it's pretty much done. So that's it. That's how easy you can create this kind of illusion. You can also do this in Photoshop, but obviously that will take a lot more time. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this and catch you on the next one.